Alright, so I wanted to dynamat my trunk and carpet it. So I pulled out all the speakers, all the bullshit out of the trunk. Dynamat was like gonna cost me like $200. I went to the shop and they told me $1,600 to dynamat and carpet my trunk. So fuck that. Went to Home Depot, bought a roll of aluminum roof tape. It's the same thing. The Sound Deadener. It's got tar in it. Bought 2 rolls. I paid $16 for each roll. So not even 40 bucks. Them 2 rolls rolled my whole trunk. All over here, all over here. Then went to the carpet section. Bought this huge ass carpet, which they can cut for you. I paid $16 for it. It's like $4 a yard or something. $4 a foot. So anyway, that's what we're doing. Getting ready for Donk Day 2020. And you know, I can show them boys how to do it. Alright, so we all done with the trunk. All in all, I spent probably spent about $80. Dynamatting the trunk and carpeting it, 80 bucks. So, you know, it's not perfect, but once the box goes in here, you're not gonna see most of whatever you think is not perfect. Check out right there, right here. So, this looks good. I like the way this looks. The floor, the sides, and I had to do up there on the top. You know, there's a lot of ripples and a lot of stuff like that in this trunk, so everything's not going to lay down perfect on it. But pretty good. Came out good. So once again, $80 I spent as opposed to the shop that wanted $1,600. I can live with this for $80. I don't know what they were gonna do better. Maybe it would have been prettier or more perfect, but yeah, I'm good. I'm good. I throw that other $1,500 towards something else on the car, like the EFI that's coming next week. All right, y'all. Subscribe if you like the video, and like if you like it.